MilesCraft MILE. Knee blades are designed for any job where you're required to be on your knees. The high-quality knee blades allow for more balance, flexibility, and mobility. The three-wheeled mobile base allows for full 360 degrees turning capability without lifting from the floor. The close-to-the-ground design minimizes back stress. With a push of a button, you can go from knee blade to knee pad. WUKO Hem Bender 8200. The WUKO 8200 is a dual-purpose metal bender. It first puts a half an inch 90-degree bend on a straight piece of metal. With a quick adjustment, the tool can also hem the metal down to 180 degrees. Finally, a 1-inch bend is then made for the interlocking of panels. We finally show the WUKO 1020 clipper to cut off the panel. Magliner powered stair climbing hand truck. The powered stair climber helps reduce worker fatigue and the risk of injury. The truck can climb 200 to 300 steps when fully charged and descend 400 to 600. Intelligent lifting arms start automatically when going downstairs, providing safe load control. The slow, fast dual-speed option and electronic overload features keep the user in control at all times. Quick change 24-volt sealed maintenance-free battery pack and charger offer exceptional performance. Ergonomically designed handle has non-slip grip for maximum comfort. The unit comes complete with 10-inch pneumatic wheels, 19-inch wide by 9.5-inch deep beveled edge noseplate, AC charger and battery pack. Thermal imager for iOS devices. Find hotspots in seconds with the brand new CAMO Tools thermal imaging camera. This portable camera connects directly to your smartphone and allows you to detect temperatures of between -20 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius, giving you the ability to detect and prevent electrical problems before it's too late. Unexpected breakdowns caused by faulty electrical components and connections could lead to costly repairs due to production loss or electrical fire damage. Electrical connections and components typically show signs of overheating before they fail, and thermal imaging technology can provide key information that the eyes alone cannot detect. Take photos and videos with the CAMO Tools Thermal Imager app using the CAMO Tools app, available for free on both Google Play and the Apple App Store. Combined with a thermal imager allows users to take photos and videos that save directly to your camera roll. CAMO Tools. Meet the MVP of your crew, the CAMO lever. This lever straightens out warped wood boards in a single turn and locks in rows of boards and clips for fastening in no time. The better board bender for every job. Lever easily adjusts to fit wood and metal joists of 1.5 to 3 inches wide for maximum job site versatility. Rollbe Super Compact Measuring Tool. Rollbe's rolling design allows to measure straight lines and curved surfaces by rolling from point to point, designed both in the metric and the imperial system. Rollbe super compact versions of 4 inches and 10 centimeters are designed to be the most compact ruler on the market. They are similar to the size of a coin, so the ruler will always fit in your pocket. It is super easy to use. Simply place the bullet start mark on the starting point of the surface or line you want to measure, then roll and count full rotations by following the start mark or the sound of the click, then add remaining units. Dynamoto. It should not be difficult to store your motorcycle. The freedom you have when riding on the open road shouldn't end when you reach home. And with a Dynamoto motorcycle stand, life with a motorcycle becomes a lot easier. You can effortlessly and rapidly move your motorcycle in any direction thanks to the revolutionary multi-directional movement. Because of the multi-directional wheels, you can glide your bike into any position you want rather than wheeling and wrestling it the old-fashioned way. The Dynamoto motorcycle stand is definitely a revolution in what you can accomplish with your motorcycle storage. For many of us, space is at a premium in our homes and garages. But with a Dynamoto motorcycle stand, it's possible to get your bike into even the tightest spaces and around previously impossible corners. A motorcycle stand from Dynamoto means that access and storage is now a breeze. HB1 by Hausbots. Make inspecting, sensing and painting tall buildings easier, safer and less expensive with the Hausbot HB1 construction robot. Designed with a unique wall climbing technology, it can climb rough and smooth surfaces, including metal and non-metal. It can even overcome obstacles, such as wires and surface bolts, while offering a payload of 6 kilograms. As a result, this construction robot is perfect for painting, completing infrastructure surveys, and visual inspections of buildings. Moreover, the Hausbot HB1 creates 42 kilograms of force into the surface to remain sturdy on surfaces. In fact, this suction force creates high-speed airflow and low pressure to generate downforce. All the while, it can climb up to 30 meters from the ground, but can potentially climb on unlimited range if the tether is attached to the roof. Overall, eliminate putting employees in danger and spending a fortune on equipment when you have this gadget.